Good morning. Officer James Wells. Shortly after the shots fired call came out, Officer Llewellyn had came over the radio and said I needed everybody here immediately. And just by the tone of his voice, we knew it was serious. And, he said it was a possible bomb situation and that Sergeant Miller was aware. At the time, I was sitting right next to Officer Toppin, so we got over there as quick as we could. Not knowing that the RV was the vehicle in question at the time, we actually pulled right in front of it. This is right across the street. We pulled up, and then when we heard the announcement, Toppin was like, "Is that the vehicle in question?" And Llewellyn said, "Yes." We immediately hopped in our cars and backed out, and then so we started setting up the perimeter to start shutting down Commerce and Broadway to make sure nobody could come in or out. And then Llewellyn called for more people to come help evacuate the building, which I did. At that point is when I heard, you have 14 minutes to evacuate the area. And at that point is when I started to prepare my mind for secondary things to happen. I actually told everybody when we come out to make sure we look at the high ground and the parking garages just in case, as I felt like maybe an active shooter might have followed that, just because it felt, at that moment, it felt real and it felt like there was going to be some secondary activity. So every time we came out of the building, we made sure that we were looking around and checking high areas, just making sure nobody was peeking around and looking at us. So we continue to go door to door, trying to get codes from dispatch to get in. We get down to Second and Commerce, and then that's when we hear the 3 minutes as we coming out of the building. And at that point, I told them I was going to go back to my car and get my heavy plates, just mentally getting prepared for whatever was about to happen. As I'm getting ready to walk toward them, walking back toward the RV, and this might not be politically correct, but this is my truth. And I literally hear God tell me to turn around and go check on Toppin, who was by herself down on Broadway. And as I turn around, for me, it felt like I only took 3 steps, and then the music stopped. And as I'm walking back toward Toppin now, I just see orange, and then I hear a loud boom. And as I'm stumbling, because it rocked me that hard, I started stumbling. I just tell myself to stay on your feet, stay alive. And I just take out in a full-out sprint, and I'm running toward Toppin to make sure she's okay. And we kind of meet in the middle, and we just grab each other, check each other, and I'm yelling at her to get her gun out because, like I said, I felt like there was going to be some – it just had a feeling that, it's just weird. It just felt like something out of a movie. And so we're checking on each other, and she's asking me – she's telling me that they're trying to raise me on the radio. I couldn't hear, so, I just lost temporary hearing in my left ear.
Completed.
Dispatch to command. I believe you have everyone except for 425.
425.
Direct.
227. You got my phone coming to you. Where do you need us? Hey, in Second and Broad. Command to 425. Are you 10-4?
He's in 4.
Are you guys okay?
Yeah.
No, my guys.
Where's your car?
How you doing?
Okay, go to your car.
What's going on?
217. Myself and 215 are all going around.
I got 213 and 215 in route. Who else is in route? I missed the first one. 221. Yeah, I don't. Direct.
221 call the door. 515 Charles coming in. 113 Charles is central. I'm in route. 415 is good. I'm just